Oh, hi. I'm here with Cletus. Cletus is Shrita's cousin. Shrita is a helicopter pilot who lives in Texas. And she was my imaginary friend. But Cletus here is going to demonstrate a drowsy baby, in which Amy will introduce ways to wake that drowsy baby up during feeding. Amy?
Oh, thanks, Pete. I'm here to talk about the 6 steps of the wake-up routine to get your drowsy baby to stay awake while feeding. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to undress your baby down to a clean diaper. Please don't do this on the burners, but find a good place, lay him down, take off all his clothes, and get him into his clean diaper. Hopefully this will make him a little cold. Okay, we'll just put this little pin in here. Once he's in his clean diaper, you're going to bring him back up, and you're going to hold him under his armpits so that just his little toes are just barely touching your lap. This is to stretch out the belly, bring whatever bubble is in there up to the top. Really, 5 seconds or so. Then you're going to sit him down, do a little burp, make sure he's got any burps out of there. And then the next thing you want to do is help him focus in on his mouth. So you'll take your finger and your thumb, and you're going to pull from his ears to the corner of his mouth about 3 or 4 times. Again, the idea here is to get him to focus on his mouth. The next thing is you'll take your pointer finger as if you're painting on clown makeup around his lips, clown lipstick. You'll go around about 3 or 4 times. And then the last time is you'll go from his nose to his upper lip, just a little swipe, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And then, as soon as you can, bring him on in, and he's ready for his milk, hopefully awake. Thanks for watching. 3, 2, 1.
Now that baby Cletus is asleep after feeding, let's review the 6 steps to wake your baby before they feed. Number 1, change your baby into a new diaper. Number 2, elongate your baby by holding them under the armpits and dangling them down. Number 3, burp your baby. Number 4, run your fingers from the baby's ear to their mouth. Number 5, run your finger around baby's mouth. And number 6, run your finger from the baby's nose to the baby's mouth. Good luck.